Hey everyone, welcome back. Are your passes, shots, or tackles not registering in FC Mobile even though you're tapping exactly where you should? Here's the fix. First, go to your settings, then scroll down and go to accessibility. Next, scroll down again and go to touch and check that touch accommodations is turned off. This accessibility feature changes how iOS interprets fast taps and can cause action buttons in sports game to miss inputs during quick plays. If that's already off, clean your screen with a soft dry cloth since a smudged or wet screen is a common cause of missed taps during fast-paced matches. Force close FC Mobile from your recent apps and reopen it fresh since a frozen input state clears on a relaunch in most cases. If tabs still do not register, remove any thick screen protector or cases that might be blocking touch sensitivity near the buttons. If the problems continue after all of this, restart your iPhone completely. Hold the side button and the volume down. Set to power off. Wait 30 seconds, turn it back on, then reopen FC Mobile. So all you've got to do is check touch accommodations, clear your screen, force close and reopen, then restart your iPhone if still unresponsive. Controls register properly and that's it. Subscribe.